It has been a long journey, but what do you guys think? Surely that is worth a little like. Yo! Basically, this video's got swear words in, and it kind of makes sense to leave them in on this because it's a real car build. So if you don't like swearing, just mute it and keep watching. Cheers, bye. Yo, what's up, everybody, and welcome to an absolutely freezing night down the garage. Autumn is apparently here, but it's definitely winter. I'm not alone this evening. Mr. Pete Ward has come around because tonight is a Civic video, the OG car on the channel. We're gonna do some bits that we have to do, give it a bit of a check. I've got a MOT tomorrow and an alignment, so I don't care if it passes the MOT or not. I just wanted someone else independent to have a look over the car and basically tell me if it needs anything changing. But yeah, we've got to get it ready for something. Secret. What's up, Pete?
Fuck off.
Zach's here. Oh, the light just went out.
Thank fuck.
So, because the Civic is the star of the show today, I had to go out and purchase a new battery for it because, well, it doesn't have a battery. I chuck this battery in, get the car in the other garage. It's absolutely freezing. Wow, okay. Purchased one of these ones with the 5-year warranty from Halfords. Pretty nice. I'm too old for this shit. Okay, so we're in. So because this door doesn't open at the moment, this is one of the things we're going to try and resolve this evening. I really hope that this gets fixed because this is the most frustrating thing to happen so far. Basically, the inner door mechanisms don't work unless we open it from the inside. So now I'm in this side. I'm going to grab the parts we need and then head in the other garage. Cheers, Supreme. She revs high under start. She's good to go. Hey, hop, let's go. With it doesn't know. Here is my 1992 Honda Civic VTI, UK car, full body restoration on the exterior, inner arches and all that malarkey, new seals, a lot. It's got quite a nice spec. I've done a video on it a little while back, but we're about to put more track door cards in from Track Door Cards. Great guys, linked down below. Get that track door card out to put in the new door mechanism, touch up or check on all the earths and work out.
Door mechanism?
Yeah.
A new one?
Yeah.
What?
Stu Preem sent me a whole door mechanism. A new battery in, but we need to
what's wrong with the old one?
take it out again. What?
The battery.
I haven't got one.
Whose is that?
Mine.
What's that from?
Right, it was just between your legs in the footwell of the Volkswagen.
Oh, you've already put it on?
Yeah. So we've been searching for ages for a 3 Allen key, and I finally found one in the other garage, and it's the oldest Allen key in the world. Right, door card off. Now it's time to take this door apart. Pete's going to do me an absolute solid because we completely forgot about this, but that stud needs changing out. So I've definitely got a spare one somewhere around here. It's probably in the car or somewhere around here. While he does that, I'm going to start taking that door apart. We've just been chatting a little bit, so yeah. Right, so as Pete does that, I'm going to dig through here and hopefully find the parts I need. I don't want to have to take the whole door thing apart. There should be 2 little things out of this whole thing I need.
Go away,
2 bits to fix
fucking weirdo.
Yeah, so excellent news is, don't you dare, oh, that would have been a fight. So Pete started some Brazilian jiu-jitsu and kickboxing as well with my trainer, not yours. And now Pete wants to fight me constantly. He's gonna get knocked the fuck out. Would anybody like me and Pete to fight for charity?
Yeah,
we can lay down an actual date next year. And the problem is we've got the same trainer.
I know, he'll be like running around just going, you do that!
Yeah. But anyway, we could potentially do that if anybody wants to see it. What I've done is taken off the lock with the bars still attached. So hopefully that should go straight onto this door handle. See if this works. I've replaced all of that and I've managed to get it all clipped up.
Well, close the door.
What did I do? Look, look, it works.
You knocked that somehow on lock.
The lock works. Oh my god. Best day ever. So that is major job number 1. Done. Major job number 2. Done. Excellent. Now it's
Earth time.
earth time. Cool.
Put battery. We'll do the battery.
We'll do the battery. We'll tuck that wire up out the way with the cable tie as well, because cable ties fix everything. So just a quick change. I've took the Fields oil cap off because I can't find the sticker for it, and it just looks really tacky without the sticker. And I do have this blue Jay's Racing one laying around, so I'm gonna put that on for now, even though I've got nothing else blue on here, but
Unbelievable, mate.
it's legit. So
JDM people will be crying
why?
because it looks shit.
Shut up. Jay's Racing in. Lovely, lovely. We're going to use the Dremel just to get some of the paint off. Hopefully we're using the right Dremel end bit, because this could go terribly wrong. But I'm just going to do a little tiny bit because I'm panicking that Pete was hacking my freshly painted bay up with a screwdriver. So we'll try and do this. Mate, up your nose. Like everything else. No, oh, I haven't got window wipers. Will I fail the MIT for no window wipers?
Yeah.
Yes, 100%.
No. Should I get them off the EK? Will they be the same?
Yeah, it should be.
Yeah?
So slow.
That one hasn't worked, no? That hasn't worked, no?
That still comes up.
Right, next one then. So I realised that I don't have any window wipers, so I'm going to go and dive into the deepest depths of hell, which is outside, and use my Iron Hell torch, which, if there's still some codes left, go grab one for 10% off at wix.com. Cool. Is it working?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Pete solved the problem by getting rid of a load of the paint off the earths. Now that's all good.
No,
So
one of the F's weren't connected.
one of the earths weren't connected?
Yeah.
Oh.
There's just one over, right in the corner over there.
Oh, okay, cool. Well, who did the earths originally?
Me, probably, yeah.
It was you. It was you.
Yeah, I don't know that guy. That was a long time ago.
But anyway, that's super cool. So we're going to try and fit these window wipers now, and then
I want to check the coolant as well.
check the coolant, check the oil, all them boring jobs, and then put some fresh fuel in it on the way to work tomorrow.
Fuck me, you actually left the nuts on the...
Hey, hooray! They look turd, but we've got window wipers. Shall we see if they work? I don't even think we've got a washer bottle, have we? Oh, we have got a washer bottle. So one more thing we've nicked off of that EK for future reference that I'm definitely going to forget. These little bonnet rubbers. Yeah. I don't even think this is going to fit. Can't actually getting cobwebs. Better use this thing soon, hey? Oh, there you go. That actually looks alright. Nice as well, doesn't it?
Yeah, real fucking nice, mate. Top job.
So look at that. I feel like they've actually done loads tonight.
Fucking hell.
That's
what you want, mate. No vibration.
Cheers, I appreciate your help, man. So the Civic is really coming together. I'm gonna put this on provisionally now, and then drill some fucking holes. Let's get it. Guys, I have got that one on, put the driver's side back on, but that was already fitted, so I didn't want to refilm that. It is now 10:25. That is a solid, whoa, you can see the infrared light. So 10:25, that's a solid 4.5 hours on the EG Civic tonight. Pete changed out my rear stud for me, so we now got a full set of lugs on there. I've got my door card on. The earth issue is no longer an issue, I think. Let's double check that, because I didn't actually look. I just took Pete's word for it. Yes, perfect. Perfect. Oh, that's good news. We've also fixed this door. Oh, look at that. The last thing I really need to do is the harnesses, but I might, oh, do I do it now? Basically, the car's going for MOT tomorrow. So what I thought we'd do is I won't really film like it having an MOT because I think it's going to fail anyway. But if it does pass by some miracle, then rock and roll. If it doesn't, I kind of hope that we just get a list of everything else that needs doing, because this car, although it's been a very long journey and from a viewer point, probably very frustrating, especially with some other channels that are amazing and can put cars together in weeks. This isn't like that. This is just a little window into my life, and I'm super grateful that you tune in and watch. But this car got literally stripped back to a bare shell and has been fully rebuilt in this garage by me and my mates. And there's been obstacles along the way. A big purple one, to name one, that has halted progress and all of that. But finally, the car is running. The car has a brand new battery, so there's no issues. Earths have all been sorted, and I think I'm just gonna, actually I am gonna do the harness tonight just because, but I'm not gonna film doing that. I'm just gonna get a few clips so I can put some nice little montages together throughout the video. But yeah, we've got to this point, team. We're here. Let's just shut that and have a look. Oh great, just stood on the bloody drill bit. It has been a long journey, but what do you guys think? Surely that is worth a little like. Wow, what a journey, hey? One that I've been very grateful to share with you guys, and I mean, I'm just happy that it's getting aligned tomorrow. That's the main reason that it's going to the garage tomorrow. It's going for an alignment, and I just thought they do MOTs for £20, so it's worth just doing the 20 quid one. If there's any big faults, any bushes that need replacing, I can't think there is because I've replaced nearly everything, but any bolts that are loose, I'm just going to ask them to do a quick bolt check as I go around, because an extra pair of hands on it never hurts. And yeah, I guess that's that. I'm just, I'm rambling. So also, it's been 10 years of 621. Nah, fuck it, I'll save that. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please hit subscribe if you like the little Civic. Trust me, you're gonna love to see what's coming next. I don't want to say yet, because I want it to be a surprise when I upload it. But just, I'm excited, man, I'm excited. Right, I will see you guys later. A lot of love and peace from me. Bye. Please subscribe, by the way, please, please, please.